Welcome to the Student Academic Learning Services video on first degree equation word problems. In this video, we're going to answer the following question. The sum of three consecutive integers is 246. What are the three numbers? And with any word problem, the first thing we're going to do is try to pick out the important information. First little bit of information we're given is the sum of three consecutive, which is very important, integers is 246. So the first thing we can do is write out sort of a little plan of what we're going to do. We're going to have three numbers. We're going to sum them up, and their total is 246. So we have 1, 2, 3 different numbers. And we're asked to find the three numbers. So let's assign the first number as x, the second number will be y, and the third number we'll call z. Now you might be thinking that we can't add these because these are all unlike terms and we can't really do anything with this equation. And you're right. That's where that consecutive integers part comes in. Because they're consecutive, we can state that y is equal to x plus 1 and z is equal to x plus 2. So now we can rewrite our equation as x plus 1 is going to substitute for y, and x plus 2 is going to substitute for z, and that all equals 246. Okay, now we have something we can work with, so let's solve this. We have 1, 2, 3 x's, so 3x plus, we have 1 and 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3, and that equals 246. Okay. Now we have some numbers in here, and we can use some algebra and solve this for x. So 3x plus 3, we're going to subtract 3 from both sides, and that's going to leave us with 3x equals 243. We'll divide by 3 now to get x by itself. Those 3's just cancel. And 243 divided by 3 is 81. Now, a lot of students, because we've done a fair amount of work here, will think that they're done the problem at this point and they'll move on to the next question. But remember, we were asked to find the three numbers. Okay? So in order to do that, we're going to have to sub our x equals 81 back into these two equations. Okay, so for y, we had 81 plus 1 equals 82, and for z, we had 81 plus 2, that equals 83, right? So now we have 81, 82, and 83. We have three consecutive integers, so let's just do a check to make sure that our numbers add up to 246. If they do, we know we're right. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 8 is 24. So there you go, 246. So our last little bit of work we need to do is just sum this all up with a final statement. Therefore, the three numbers are 81, 82, and 83. Okay? Very important to include this final statement in word problems, as well as you should do a check to make sure that your answer made sense. Okay? As always, if you had any problems with the material covered in this video, I encourage you to come to the SALS Center located in room 204 of the Student Services Building and make an appointment with the appropriate learning skills advisor. Thanks for watching.